All right, so if your pitch deck isn't grabbing attention in the first few seconds, yeah, investors will lose interest fast. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI to create a powerful, investor-ready pitch deck step by step. First, quick idea, a great pitch deck is clear, simple, and focused on value, not just information. Start with a detailed prompt. This is where everything begins. Prompt. Create a startup pitch deck including problem, solution, market size, business model, and growth strategy. Gamma will generate a full pitch deck with structured slides. Make sure your deck follows a strong structure: problem, solution, product, market, business model, traction, and team. Now personalize everything. Add your startup details, numbers, and unique value. Investors care about numbers, so highlight growth, revenue, or projections. Don't overload slides. Keep them simple and focused. Use visuals like charts, icons, and images to make your pitch more engaging. Use Gamma AI to refine your pitch and improve clarity, tone, and flow. Finally, practice your pitch and share your deck with a simple link. So yeah, once you use Gamma like this, your pitch decks become more clear, professional, and investor ready. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more AI business guides coming soon.